It's okay later on. I jump back faster.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the for the expert 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
For the regular one, learn it.
Yeah, it just take a little more time if you never did it before, because you know you got to be careful.
So you have to turn off the light or no?
No, I do this live, but you can turn off the breaker if you want, if you're scared to work, but you know.
Okay. Yeah, of course we have to turn it out, right? But the one that expert no need to turn it out, correct?
Yeah.
Maybe one heavy learn how to do that.
Yeah, for me, I do it a long time, so.
Maybe one day you do, you let me do it. I know how to do it. I have to fix it.
So when you want to be careful touching here, that's the main thing.
Oh, okay.
This is the power. The black one is a power. So when you grab this, make sure you're not touching both at the same time. Oh, you can, okay. Just make sure your ground wire is on there good, tight. And you're gonna put your neutral. Okay. Neutral, still there's no power here, so you can touch, not be afraid to touch anything here. Get it nice and tight. Okay, now this wire is live, so you have to be careful when you're putting it in. Make sure you're not touching here, or you're gonna get shocked. Live wire. Okay. Just making sure you're not touching anything metal. And give it a nice good tight. There we go. I'm gonna put some tape. Go around 2 times. And I'm just gonna guide the wires back in. Okay. This is 1, 2. Hold on, I can't see the hole. Oh, there it is. It's to the side. You have to have this kind of outlet, okay? So then the last step is gonna be to put the cover on. This is it here, 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay. I say 1, 2, 3. Every time I say 1, 2, 3, problem. Oh, not 1, 2, 3. You hit the reset, get the power going, and you're finished.